Racer. Today, we will demonstrate chemical bonding using household materials. Chemical bonding explains how atoms combine to form substances. In this experiment, we will observe how different substances react and produce bubbles, showing how bonds break and form during a chemical reaction.
The first objective of our experiment is to identify the types of chemical bonds present in common household substances, such as the baking soda, the calamansi juice, and the dishwashing liquid.
The second objective is to observe how bond breaking and bond formation test chemical reactions, which we will see through the formation of bubbles.
The third objective is to explain how molecular bond structures affect physical interaction, such as how dishwashing liquid stabilizes bubbles.
The last objective is to make a chemical bonding easier to understand by demonstrating it using simple household materials.
Our hypothesis states that when calamansi juice is mixed with dishwashing liquid and baking soda, a chemical reaction will occur that produces carbon dioxide gas bubbles. That dishwashing liquid will help stabilize the bubbles, making them bigger and last longer.
Our materials using this experiment are spoon, clear glass, baking soda, calamansi juice, dishwashing liquid.
First, we prepare the base mixture. We pour 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid into a clear glass.
Procedure 2 is we squeeze the calamansi juice into the glass, mix it well with the dishwashing liquid using spoon. Finally, we add 1 tablespoon of baking soda while stirring gently.
We then observe the bubbles that form.
The bubbling happens because baking soda reacts with the acid in calamansi juice, producing carbon dioxide gas. The dishwashing liquid traps this gas and forms bubbles. This reaction shows how chemical bonds break and new bonds form.
In conclusion, the experiment confirms our hypothesis. The reaction between calamansi juice and baking soda produces carbon dioxide gas, and the dishwashing liquid stabilizes the bubbles. This demonstrates how chemical bonds affect chemical properties and physical properties.
I just had to let you know you're